all designed around vision of Steve.
You forget to sit down and talk about war of the world. I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
Well, you're seeing it right now, folks. And while we're stopped, it's okay to stand up and take pictures. You see, this is one of the largest, most expensive movie sets in film history, mainly because that is a real 747 that was purchased in one piece and then torn apart and destroyed just for this movie.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep your eyes on me. That's how you feel, baby. So I want you to close your eyes, okay? Got them closed? Robbie, get in.
Take your seats, folks.
Get in.
Oh, yeah. Other studios use miniatures for sets like these. Steven Spielberg is another matter entirely. Now we're going to head up the hill here, and directly ahead of us is a large log cabin. It's built for the great outdoors, starring the late great John Candy and Dan Aykroyd. We recycle here at Universal. After we used it for that movie, we moved that whole house into Stage 43. That was Craig T. Nelson's home in the mountains for the TV series Coach. Out behind it is the largest freestanding backdrop in Hollywood. Area out front when we